Hello guys, it's AppWiz, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an editor to your YouTube channel. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, head over to the App Store and search for YT Studio. Make sure the app is updated. Once you've done that, open the YouTube app and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, go to Settings and then tap on Permissions. From here, you can invite someone to be an editor, manager, or any other role you want to assign. Just enter their email address and send the request. As you can see, the invitation will show as pending, and once they accept it, their role will appear as editor. That's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.